Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever thought about expanding your side hustle into the world of car rentals? It's an intriguing venture that can turn your idle vehicle into a steady stream of passive income. A side hustle, as we all know, is not just about making extra cash. It's about flexibility, control, and leveraging what you already have to create more. And that's where car rental comes in. Imagine your car not just being a means of transportation, but a business asset that can generate profits even while you're asleep. And the best part? You can manage it all from the convenience of your smartphone. Platforms like Turo allow you to list your vehicle and make it available to guests, similar to how Airbnb operates. And speaking of Airbnb, they might soon be stepping into the car rental game as well. So if you're looking for a new dimension to your entrepreneurial journey, car rental might just be it. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the process of adding car rental to your side hustle. To get started, it's important to understand the car rental market. This market is an ever-evolving landscape, a dynamic mix of traditional rental companies, tech-savvy startups, and peer-to-peer platforms. The demand for car rentals is constantly shifting, influenced by factors like travel trends, economic conditions, and consumer preferences. For example, in recent years, we've seen a surge in demand for eco-friendly vehicles and luxury cars. Now, if you're thinking about dipping your toes into this market as a side hustle, you need to consider what type of cars you can offer. Are you targeting the luxury market with high-end vehicles, or are you aiming for the economy market with more affordable options? Remember, your target audience will greatly influence your strategy. The luxury car rental market is driven by customers who are willing to pay a premium for comfort, style, and status. This market segment often includes business travelers, tourists, and people looking for a special treat. On the other hand, the economy car rental market caters to budget-conscious consumers who prioritize affordability and practicality. This segment typically includes students, families, and people on a tight budget. Understanding these market segments can help you decide what kind of car or cars to invest in. For example, if you live in a bustling city with a lot of business travelers, a luxury car might be a good bet. But if you're in a college town or a popular family vacation spot, an economy car could be the way to go. And remember, it's not enough to just have a car. It needs to be in tip-top shape. Regular maintenance, clean interiors, and even a few extra touches like a phone charger or GPS can make a big difference in customer satisfaction. But here's a tip. If your car can be listed on Turo, offer the listing as an option to your guests subject to availability. It's a win-win scenario. Plus, Airbnb may soon offer its own car rental service. That's another win. Now that we've got a handle on the market, let's move on to the platforms you can use to kickstart your venture. Platforms like Turo and Airbnb can be instrumental in your car rental side hustle. These two platforms have revolutionized the way we approach the sharing economy. With Turo, you're stepping into a world where your car isn't just a vehicle, but a potential source of income. And with Airbnb, your property becomes a home away from home for travelers. But did you ever consider intertwining these two? Imagine this scenario. You have a property listed on Airbnb. Now, what if you could also offer your car as an added convenience for your guests? This is where Turo comes into the picture. With Turo, you can list your car much like you would list your property on Airbnb. Now you may be thinking, what if I list my car on Turo and it gets booked by someone else when my Airbnb guests need it? Well, Turo offers a solution for that as well. You can block your car's availability on Turo, ensuring it's always available for your Airbnb guests. This way, you're providing an all-inclusive experience for your guests, making their stay even more convenient and memorable. Another perk of using Turo is their comprehensive insurance options. Turo has its own coverage that protects you, the car owner, from potential damages or theft. This provides an added layer of security and peace of mind when you're renting out your car. Now here's another exciting tidbit. Airbnb may soon step into the car rental market. Yes, you heard that right. Airbnb is considering offering its own car rental service. This could be another win for you as a host. If and when this happens, it could open up a new avenue for you to increase your income, all under the umbrella of Airbnb. So, by integrating Turo and Airbnb, you're not only maximizing your income potential, but also offering a unique, comprehensive service to your guests. And who knows? This could be the edge you need in the competitive sharing economy. These platforms can be a game changer for your side hustle. But how do you ensure your venture is profitable? Stay tuned as we delve into this in the next segment. Scene script. Profitability is key in any side hustle. So, how do you maximize your earnings from car rental? Let's dive into a few strategies that can turn your wheels into wealth. First things first, pricing. It's not just about setting the highest rate possible. Instead, consider the sweet spot, a rate that's competitive yet profitable. Research the market, understand your competitors' prices, and factor in the running costs of your vehicle. A dynamic pricing strategy, where you adjust prices based on demand and season, can also be a game changer. Managing costs is another crucial aspect. Regular maintenance checks can prevent costly repairs down the line. Fuel-efficient vehicles can also save you a pretty penny on gas. Additionally, consider the cost of insurance, cleaning, and other incidentals. Small savings here and there can add up to significant earnings over time. Now, let's talk about upselling. Offering additional services can significantly boost your income. For instance, if your car can be listed on Turo, offer the listing as an option to your guests, subject to availability. Just like Airbnb, you can list the car on Turo, then block it so it's always available to your guests. It's separate from Airbnb, and Turo has its own insurance options. Seems like a win-win. Plus, Airbnb may soon offer its own car rental service. Another win. Lastly, customer service. A satisfied customer is likely to be a repeat customer. Prompt responses, cleanliness, and a smooth rental process can make a world of difference. Positive reviews can also attract more customers, so strive to provide an exceptional experience every time. In essence, maximizing profit from your car rental side hustle is about striking the right balance between competitive pricing, cost management, upselling, and top-notch customer service. It's about being savvy, strategic, and customer-focused. With these strategies, you can make your car rental side hustle a lucrative venture. But what about the risks involved? Let's delve into that next. In any business, managing risks is crucial. Let's talk about insurance in the car rental business. Insurance, as we know, is a safety net. In the realm of car rental, it's not just an option, but a necessity. When you rent your car to strangers, you're exposing yourself to potential risks. But don't fret. Platforms like Turo have insurance options designed specifically for this purpose. Turo provides a range of insurance plans, allowing you to select the one that best fits your needs. They offer 3 types of coverage: Premier, Standard, and Minimum. The Premier plan ensures maximum protection with 0 out-of-pocket costs in case of a mishap. Standard reduces your earnings slightly, but provides a balance between protection and profit. The Minimum plan maximizes your earnings, but leaves you with a higher amount to pay if something goes wrong. It's like a game of chess. You've got to make the right moves. If you're someone who values peace of mind over profit, the Premier plan might be your best bet. But if you're willing to take on a little risk for higher returns, the Standard or Minimum plans could suit you. Remember, the aim is not just to earn, but to protect your earnings. That's where insurance comes in. It's your shield against unforeseen incidents, like accidents or damages. And here's a pro tip. Always read the terms and conditions of the insurance policy thoroughly. Understand what's covered and what's not. If you're unclear about any aspect, reach out to the platform's support team. They're there to help. So while you're busy making your car rental side hustle profitable, don't forget to safeguard it. Your car is your asset, and it deserves the best protection. In conclusion, the key to managing risks in the car rental business is choosing the right insurance. It's all about balancing your need for protection with your desire for profit. It's not always an easy choice, but remember, the right insurance can make all the difference. With the right insurance, you can protect your venture from potential risks. Now let's wrap up. Let's recap what we've learned about adding car rental to your side hustle. We've navigated through the car rental market, highlighting its potential for entrepreneurs. It's a thriving field with an array of opportunities for the discerning, business-minded individual. We've also delved into how platforms like Turo and Airbnb can be leveraged to maximize your side hustle. Remember, if your car can be listed on Turo, offer the listing as an option to your guests, subject to availability. Block it, so it's always available to your guests. And keep in mind, Airbnb may also soon offer its own car rental service. We've covered the art of maximizing profitability and managing risks and insurance in car rental. These are crucial aspects to ensure your side hustle is both lucrative and secure. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to add car rental to your side hustle. So why not give it a try?